Smartwatches have become much more than simple fitness trackers. They're now your personal trainer, health companion, digital wallet, and everyday assistant wrapped around your wrist. But with so many incredible options launching in 2026, choosing the right one isn't as easy as it used to be. That's exactly why we've done the research for you. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 best smartwatches of 2026, featuring the latest wearables with cutting-edge health monitoring, AI-powered features, stunning displays, longer battery life, and premium designs. Whether you're an Android user, an Apple fan, or a fitness enthusiast, there's a perfect smartwatch waiting for you. Stay until the end. You might be surprised which watch takes the #1 spot. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 proves that a smartwatch can be both stylish and incredibly smart. At first glance, its slimmer design and vibrant Super AMOLED display catch your attention, but it's the advanced health features that truly stand out. Powered by Samsung's 3nm Exynos W1000 processor and Wear OS 6 with One UI Watch 8, it delivers smooth performance, AI-powered wellness insights, sleep coaching, heart rate, ECG, body composition, blood oxygen monitoring, built-in GPS, and up to 32 gigabytes of storage. The Galaxy Watch 8 starts at around $350 for the 40mm Bluetooth model, making it an excellent choice for Android users seeking a premium smartwatch experience. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. If your adventures take you far beyond city streets, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is built to keep up. Designed for serious athletes and outdoor explorers, it combines a rugged titanium construction with a stunning AMOLED or micro-LED display, multiband GPS, offline maps, ECG, heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, advanced training metrics, dive support, a built-in LED flashlight, and new satellite plus LTE connectivity for messaging and SOS features. Battery life can last for weeks, depending on the model and usage. Prices start at around $1,199 for the AMOLED version, making the Fenix 8 Pro one of the most capable premium smartwatches available today. HUAWEI Watch FIT 5 Pro. The HUAWEI Watch FIT 5 Pro is proof that you don't have to spend flagship money to enjoy a premium smartwatch experience. Its sleek design hides serious performance, featuring a 1.92-inch LTPO AMOLED display with up to 3,000 nits of brightness, a titanium bezel, 2.5D sapphire glass, dual-band GPS with Huawei's Sunflower Positioning System, ECG, heart rate and SPO2 monitoring, sleep tracking, over 100 workout modes, and up to 10 days of battery life. Whether you're training outdoors or simply tracking your daily health, it delivers impressive value. Priced from around $350, €299/£249.99, the Watch FIT 5 Pro is one of the strongest premium fitness smartwatches of 2026. Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra 2 is built for people who believe the best adventures begin where the pavement ends. With its rugged titanium and stainless steel construction, 1.5-inch AMOLED display, dual-band GPS, offline maps, 100-meter water resistance, dive support, heart rate, and SPO2 monitoring, built-in speaker and microphone, and an impressive up to 35 days of battery life, it's ready for almost any challenge. Whether you're hiking, trail running, or exploring off-grid, this smartwatch delivers dependable performance without compromise. Starting at around $549, the T-Rex Ultra 2 offers premium outdoor features that rival much more expensive adventure smartwatches, making it an outstanding value for serious explorers. Apple Watch Series 11. The Apple Watch Series 11 continues to prove why it's the smartwatch many others are measured against. Slip it on and you're greeted by a gorgeous, always-on LTPO3 Retina display with up to 2,000 nits of brightness. Powered by Apple's fast S11 chip and watchOS 26, it offers ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, hypertension notifications, GPS, Apple Pay, and up to 24 hours of battery life with fast charging. Seamless integration with the iPhone makes every feature feel effortless. Starting at $400 for the 42mm GPS model, the Apple Watch Series 11 remains one of the best premium smartwatches you can buy. Google Pixel Watch 4. The Google Pixel Watch 4 is the smartwatch that quietly gets almost everything right. Its sleek circular design looks elegant, while the bright AMOLED display and smooth Wear OS 6 experience make every interaction effortless. Powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 platform, it features 32 GB of storage, advanced heart rate tracking, ECG, sleep analysis, dual frequency GPS, Google Health integration, Gemini AI features, and up to 40 hours of battery life with battery saver mode. Whether you're tracking workouts or managing your day, it feels like a true extension of your Android phone. Starting at $350 for the 41mm Wi-Fi model, the Pixel Watch 4 delivers premium performance at a competitive price. Garmin Venu 4. The Garmin Venu 4 is the kind of smartwatch that helps you stay healthier without constantly demanding your attention. Whether you're training for a marathon or simply trying to build better daily habits, it keeps you motivated with meaningful insights. It features a vibrant AMOLED display, multi-band GPS, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, ECG, body battery energy tracking, HRV status, sleep coaching, a built-in LED flashlight, speaker and microphone, plus up to 12 days of battery life on the 45mm model. Starting at $549.99, with frequent discounts around $499.99. The Garmin Venu 4 is an outstanding premium smartwatch for fitness and everyday wellness. Withings ScanWatch 2. Not everyone wants a smartwatch that looks like a tiny phone, and that's exactly where the Withings ScanWatch 2 shines. At first glance, it looks like a classic analog timepiece, but beneath its elegant design is a powerful health companion. It features a hybrid OLED display, ECG, continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, 24/7 body temperature monitoring, sleep analysis, activity tracking, and up to 30 days of battery life on a single charge. Compatible with both Android and iPhone, it blends timeless style with modern health technology. Starting at around $350, the ScanWatch 2 is an excellent choice for anyone who values wellness without sacrificing classic watch design. OnePlus Watch 3. The OnePlus Watch 3 is one of those smartwatches that quietly exceeds expectations. It combines premium craftsmanship with impressive endurance, making it an excellent companion for both work and workouts. Featuring a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 2,200 nits of peak brightness, a Snapdragon W5 chipset paired with a BES2 800 MCU, Wear OS, 32 GB of storage, dual-band GPS, ECG, heart rate, and SpO2 monitoring, over 100 sports modes, and up to 5 days of battery life in smart mode, it delivers flagship performance. Priced from $349.99, the OnePlus Watch 3 offers exceptional value for Android users seeking a premium smartwatch experience. CMF Watch Pro 3. The CMF Watch Pro 3 proves that a premium smartwatch experience doesn't have to come with a premium price. Its sleek aluminum design is paired with a vibrant 1.43-inch AMOLED display featuring a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, while dual-band GPS, Bluetooth calling, a 4-channel heart rate sensor, SpO2 monitoring, sleep and stress tracking, over 130 sports modes, and an IP68 rating make it ready for everyday life and outdoor adventures. Battery life lasts up to 13 days on a single charge, reducing the need for constant recharging. Starting at just $100, the CMF Watch Pro 3 delivers outstanding value, making it one of the best budget smartwatches of 2026.